प्रीपेड एक्सपेंस, बताओ what will be journal entry for prepaid expense at the end of the year if it is given as an adjustment? तो बताओ prepaid expense means it is not an expense of current year, it is a expense of the next year but paid in current year. तो we need to record one journal entry means we need to decrease expense. तो क्या journal entry पास करेंगे बताओ? तो journal entry what? Prepaid expense account debit to respective expense, correct? So prepaid expense will be an asset, it will go to the asset side of balance sheet, asset side of balance sheet, correct? Expense, it will be reduced from respective expense, respective expense, correct? Now respective expense, this expense can be either direct expense or indirect expense. Direct expense, so expense will go to trading account. If indirect expense, expense will go to PL account. इतना तो समझ में आ रहा है? Have you understood? Can we take one example? Example. Example number 1. Extract of trial balance 31st March 2020. Extract of trial balance 31st March 2020. Correct? I have given you one prepaid expense, but opening 1/4/2019. Prepaid expense will have debit balance. Let us assume 5,000. Correct now. Better I am writing prepaid wages. Correct? Then wages will have also debit balance. Suppose it is 95,000. So this is the extract of trial balance. Don't ask me, sir, why trial balance is not trading. Sorry, why trial balance is not telling why there is no item in credit side of the trial balance. So prepaid as is an asset. Asset will have debit balance. Correct. Then I will give some adjustment. Adjustment. बताओ adjustment क्या होगा? Adjustment. Prepaid wages at year end is equal to 10,000. Correct? Is equal to 10,000. So it means solution. First you need to do adjustment entry. Adjustment entry. First you need to do adjustment entry. बताओ. What adjustment entry for opening prepaid? बताओ. What adjustment entry for opening prepaid? Everyone. For opening prepaid wages. जैसे बोलते हैं ना ओपनिंग स्टॉक, वैसे बोलता है ओपनिंग प्रीपेड वेजेस. करेक्ट ना? दिस ओपनिंग प्रीपेड वेजेस. बताओ व्हाट जर्नल एंट्री, व्हाट एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री विल डू. तो कैन आई से लास्ट ईयर इट वाज प्रीपेड, तो लास्ट ईयर इट वाज एसेट and last year it was paid but it is an expense of current year, so we need to increase the expense of current year. Correct? Expense account debit to. Very good. So we'll do expense account means wages account debit, wages account debit to prepaid wages. So you can see opening prepaid will be closed with what amount? 5,000. With what amount? 5,000. Have you understood this point? But what journal entry for closing? For closing prepaid wages. for closing prepaid wages, correct. So closing prepaid wages, so it is not an expense of current year, so which will we reduce what expense of current year, so and it become the asset of current year. So prepaid wages account debit to what wages. So you can see wages is credited, तो wages will reduce by 10,000. आप समझ रहे हो इस बात को? Are you able to understand what I am saying? Yes, sir. We are understanding, sir. Correct? Yes, sir. Correct. It means now we need to prepare two account. I'm just giving you account also. क्योंकि आपको पता होना चाहिए account बनता है. In exam will not prepare till they ask. Correct? So prepaid wages account and will prepare wages account. Correct. So what is the opening balance of prepaid wages account? So how much is given to balance brought down is 5,000. Correct. And in the wages account, how much given in trial balance is how much wages paid. So what is wages account debit to cash or bank? Wages account debit to cash or bank. How much? It is 95,000 given in trial balance. 95,000 given in trial balance. Have you understood this point? Well, have you understood this point? Now, can I say first we'll do post this journal entry wages account debit to prepaid wages. फिर add on यहाँ buy wages 5,000 and we write on two prepaid wages. So you can see this will be added to what wages account. आप add कर रहे हो ना 5,000. Why you are adding? Because this is an expense of current year as per accrual concept. As per accrual concept. Have you understood this point? Then you will post what prepaid means closing prepaid wages to wages account. So prepaid wages will be debited. So you write down two wages. How much? 10,000. 10,000. Correct. Are we agreeing? So prepaid wages account debited and wages account will be credited. So you write down buy prepaid wages. You are writing buy prepaid wages. Are you able to understand? Buy prepaid wages. How much? 10,000. So it is reduced from, you can see reduced from 95,000 automatically credit हो गया. इसको deduct कर देंगे. Correct. Now, so all the two jana entry has been posted. Now we'll do balancing. So wages account will be closed by transfer trading account. इसको close कर देंगे by transfer to trading account. Why? Because it is a direct expense. Correct. तो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर देंगे. हाउ मच? तो दिस इज 1 लाख माइनस 10 90,000. तो 90,000 विल बी ट्रांसफर टू ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. 90,000 will be transferred to trading account. Correct. And prepaid wages being an asset account, or personal account, it will not be closed, it will be balanced. We'll do buy balance carried down 10,000 and this will go to the asset side of balance sheet. इसको कहाँ लिखेंगे? Asset side of balance sheet. So this will go to the asset side of balance sheet. Have you understood this point? ये point समझे? बताओ. Have you understood this point? Yes sir. तो बताओ. Now we'll prepare trading account. So while preparing trading account in exam, we can avoid this adjustment entry and ledger account. Directly we can do adjustment in the trading account में. Trading account में ही हम लिख सकते हैं. तो जब हम trading account बनाएंगे, trading account, तो can I say we'll write down two wages. हम यहाँ लिखेंगे two wages. So what we can do, instead of preparing adjustment entry and ledger account, how much given in trial balance? 95,000 plus opening prepaid minus what? Minus what? Closing prepaid. That is how much? 10,000. Are you able to understand? So this become 90,000 and 90,000 will be debited to trading account. आप मेरी बात समझे? ये 90,000 will be debited to trading account. And in balance sheet we write down what? In the asset side of balance sheet we write down prepaid wages. वो लिखेंगे prepaid wages. How much prepaid wages? Prepaid wages opening लिखना closing लिखना, that is how much? 10,000. Closing लिखेंगे, opening तो ना लिखेंगे. Have you understood? Because balance sheet is a position of what? At year end. Year end बनाते तो उसका closing balance लिखते हैं. Have you understood this point? बताओ. Very simple. I think you understood. So you can see in exam we don't prepare wages account. वही दिक्कत है. आप wages account नहीं बनाते हैं. But can you see this 90,000 is coming from wages account. ये wages account से आता है. So this 90,000 has been transferred from wages account. Correct now. To trading account. So wages account is closed and transferred trading account. Wages account has been closed and transferred trading account. Have you understood this point? इस point को समझे? बोलो. Have you understood? But in exam ये shortcut चलेगा. इन एग्जाम में ये शॉर्टकट चलेगा. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस पॉइंट? बताओ सर. रिपीट वंस ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट, इसमें क्या समझाना है? ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट लिखा टू वेजेस. वेजेस आई एम सेइंग दिस 90,000 विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड टू ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. करेक्ट ना? ये हो गया हमारा लॉन्ग कट तरीका. बट इन एग्जाम वी डू नॉट हैव टाइम टू प्रिपेयर व्हाट एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री, then wages account, then trading account. So what we'll do adjustment directly with plus minus. तो हमने क्या किया? 95,000 was given in trial balance प्लस ओपनिंग प्रीपेड माइनस क्लोजिंग प्रीपेड, वो 90,000 आ गया. डायरेक्टली हमने वहां पर लिख दिया टू अवॉइड टू सेव आवर टाइम इन एग्जाम. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? बट एक्चुअल तरीका क्या है? फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री, देन व्हाट लेजर अकाउंट, देन व्हाट ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट, देन पीएल अकाउंट, देन व्हाट बैलेंस शीट. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस पॉइंट? इतना समझे? बोलो. करेक्ट. नाउ दिस वाज एग्जांपल नंबर 1. Do example number 2. Extract of trial balance. March 31, 2020. Wages debit 90,000. Prepaid wages 31st March 2020. 31st March 2020. 10,000. Correct. बताओ. In this case, what adjustment entry you'll do for prepaid wages? What adjustment entry you'll do for prepaid wages given in trial balance 10,000? बताओ. What adjustment entry you'll do for prepaid wages? Everyone respond fast. Correct. So no adjustment entry. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Means now I think you have understood. So can I say this wages directly will be transferred to trading account? Directly it will be transferred to trading account, and these prepaid wages, because already no adjustment has been given, it will directly transfer to the asset side of balance sheet. Very good. I think now you are understanding. Bolo yes or no? Have you understood this point? Yes, समझे? Correct.